Are you looking for complete Python programming notes for AKTU second year? In this video, you will get all units covered in one place. These notes are specially designed for B.Tech students and are perfect for exam preparation and quick revision. Let's quickly go through the units. Unit 1 covers the basics of Python, including features, variables, data types, and operators. Unit 2 focuses on control statements like if-else, loops, and flow control. Unit 3 explains functions, recursion, and modules in a simple way. Unit 4 covers important data structures like lists, tuples, sets, dictionaries, and strings. And Unit 5 focuses on file handling and object-oriented programming concepts like classes and inheritance. These notes are easy to understand and completely exam-focused. You can download the complete notes from the link given in the description. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AKTU notes.